It's all about the land and the people, as long as it's their land and their people. Then there's the Ular boys, a crazy jungle mob who plan to turn this island into a natural paradise, meaning no foreigners, no foreign goods and foreign pop music thing. And careful, Rico, for sport that dies traitors with their mandaus.
This is Radio Panau, the voice of truth. So listen to it. Today, the President Panay administration issued orders to shut down the international gambling establishment, Panau Falls Casino. In the fracas that followed, the Panau military was forced to intervene as dangerous foreign criminal elements took their native customs to the soil of Panau and attacked police officials with machine guns and explosives. A lone gunman, with ties to famous criminal organizations all over the world, is said to have caused considerable damage before escaping with one of the foreigners due for deportation. The police have issued a warning to the public close to the Panau Falls Casino, as well as an encouragement to report any suspicious activity in the area.